Hey folks, welcome to my channel where I review everything and almost anything. So today I'm going to review the this product I got off Amazon. It's the Eastwood Fast Etch Rust Remover. And I have to tell you, I've used a lot of different rust removers out there, but this one by far is the best, in my opinion. Okay, so I basically just use it for metal and fasteners and things of that nature. And all you really need to do is shake it up, put it in a container, and put all the stuff that you have, all the metal that you have, in the container, and let it sit for half an hour or 25 minutes, sometimes longer. It depends on how bad it is. It's saying here that you should use it between 70 and 100 degrees, and that's there's some other directions and safety measures that you need to take. But other than that, I think it's a great product. So what better way to show that a product is great but to go ahead and do a live demonstration. But before I do that, if you like this video and you want to see more, I would ask that you subscribe and that you go to the link below if you decide you want the product. It is an Amazon link product. So that's it. Let's go ahead and do the demonstration, guys. Okay, folks. As promised, I said I would go ahead and do a real-world experiment with this Eastwood Fast Etch rust remover. So what I have here are a bunch of parts, rusted parts that came off of my ATV. And as you can see, I mean, they're pretty rusted. That's pretty bad. So, I've got a whole bunch of them in here. And so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour some of this etch remover / rust remover into this container. And I'm just going to go right above the pieces. Just go right above it, fill it until, just like that, until it reaches kind of the top a little bit. All right. If you look closer, I don't know if you can see that, you can actually see it bubbling. Yeah. See, those are bubbles. It's like actively working as soon as you pour the fast etch over it. Like I mentioned, I have been using this rust remover for years, and I have saved a ton of money on parts, rusted parts, little parts like this, simply because I had this product on hand. So what I'm going to do for safety, I'm going to put a lid over it and cover it for about 20 minutes. You could do 25 minutes. I think the instructions, I think it's, see, it says here, well, anyway, just from past experience, about 15 to 20 minutes. If you leave it longer, that's okay. It's not going to hurt it. You just don't want to leave it and forget it overnight like I did in the past, and ended up ruining, like, it'll literally, whatever it's cleaning, it will deteriorate to the point of almost nothing. So anyway, let's leave it in there and then we'll be right back. Okay, folks, we are back. So I'm going to be completely honest with you. I've actually left this in here for about 48 minutes. Okay. I came back to look at the results, and it was still cooking that rust off. And as you can see, you could see the rust remover, it's still bubbling actually. And usually if it's still bubbling, that's a good indication that it's still working. and taking stuff off. But so if you remember what it looked like before, these little fittings, um, they were really rusted, and now they're not. Let's grab another one. Some of them look better than others. Let's see here. Now, when you clean it off with a towel, you'll notice that you get some of this black residue instead of the rust stuff. This, to my understanding, this rust remover also like creates sort of a black coating over the metal, and just kind of helps with protecting the metal as well. So not only does it take off the rust, but it also puts some sort of black thin coating over it, which I think is really cool. Sorry, that's too close. Yeah, there we go. Let's take out another one and check it out. Looks pretty good, doesn't it? Compared to what it was. So now I don't have to go out and buy these new fittings for my my ATV, because all I did was just put it in that rust remover and it's pretty much done. It almost broke it down to the bare metal, actually. I can't remember what color these was when I first bought these, but okay, guys, that is really good. I mean, compared to what it was, I can reuse these. And so every time these get rusted, these go under a skid plate in my razor, on my razor. And so when these get rusted, all I have to do is take them off, put them in this rust remover, and it works all over again. And again, I don't know if I mentioned this, but you can keep reusing this. You don't have to throw this away after you've used it once or twice. I'll leave this in this Tupperware, this rust remover, for a while, and I won't get rid of it until I know that it's no longer, worth using. And you'll know when it starts running out of juice, when it gets really gunky and kind of gross in there. And I mean, some would say that that's gross right there, but I mean, this is, when you look at all three of these came out really nice. And I also did that with the screws that came with them. Wow. Let's take out a few more and then we'll, oh, here we go. This was a screw that got caught in there. It was also rusted. Let's see if I can. Okay. Okay. Oh, see my ugly mug. All right, guys. I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this real life demonstration. As far as I'm concerned, that Eastwood rust remover works great. Like, I've tried different ones, like at AutoZone, and I think maybe Home Depot. I bought a rust removing gel, and I wasn't impressed. Like, it didn't do the job that I wanted it to do. My understanding is that Eastwood also sells a gel version of this. I've always bought the liquid version because I like dipping my stuff in it, or dipping my product in the remover and letting it sit. I guess the gel might work. I don't know, but if this works as well as I hope the gel might, why not get the gel as well? So anyway, I will post a link in the description, guys, if you decide to go straight to the product and buy it for yourselves. All I would ask is if you like this channel, if you like this review, share it, subscribe, and if you click on the link, which is an Amazon link, I get a very small percentage of the sale. So anyway, thanks for everything. I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you next time.